I'm going to show a side-by-side comparison between our fire ring and most of our competitors. And we do this for decoration so people have visual effect on what they see, but it's also warmth because a lot of people sit around them, so it has to be for form and function. You see our fire ring built much differently than what you get from our competitors. Much more natural look, much bigger, much more bold. We also really engineered it to work for outdoors. It doesn't allow water to get inside. We have these water blockers. Real thick stainless steel, lifetime warranty on this. What I also want to show you is there is temperature differences, but they're minor unless it's ambient when you're outside. So if you look over here, we'll go on interior side. We're around the 4 or 520, 540 down to 8 mark. That would be considered on your electronic device for automatic ignition system. Now if you look on ours right over here, we're looking roughly around the same temperature on the interior side of what we have there. Now if you look to the underside of the pans to see what it would be like down low, looks like we're around the 235 to 245, 247 depending on where we're under there. On the underside of our pan here, looking about 324, 325, right around there. We specifically designed ours so that they wouldn't have a lot of heat on the underside of the pan for electronics. But the big part of it is that we designed our automatic ignition system to truly work for outside. A fully machined aluminum box made for the outdoors. Everything about this is made to withstand heat. If you have an electronic system that's made for outdoors that can't withstand the heat, it's probably not a good ignition system to have. Ours is able to work with anybody's system, anything, anytime, and will always work. Thank you.